Yes.
I come to
It is recording.
my chocolate.
Yeah. Here's the junior upcoming advocate. We are here together today, preparing for a hearing.
Early in the morning.
Early in the morning. You can't believe. It's supposed to be 7 a.m. and we are here already. And the magistrate said you should be at 7 a.m. and it is past 15 almost, and it's not showing up. But it's our case. He's just there to decide for us. Our interests are at stake, and we have to see before 8:30 the business is done. Today's case is very interesting case, and we thought to disclose he's going to win the case, but his clients will lose it. That much I know. But we thought disclosing most of the information. We are in Moshi, and we love this place. We really love it. This is our home place. This is where our grandfather grew up.
Looks like Canada.
But Canada cannot catch up with us. The mountains here, beautiful. We've got snow, we've got ice, although it is in the equator. It's the place to be. You guys, come and join us. Cheers.